Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And boy, do I have very special sneakers for you. Today, we are unboxing and doing an on-feet review of the Adidas James Harden sneaker that's dedicated or that's made from Manila, and it is made for the world. This is the James Harden Volume 5 Adidas Quiccs Manila Heritage. Let's go. Now, before we get started, obviously not all the sneakers will come in this stunning, absolutely sick box that was designed by Quiccs. So this is actually James Harden in the design of one of my favorite Filipino street artists. Take a look here at the bottom. It says made in Manila, made for the world. You have the logo of Adidas, then you have the logo of Quiccs at the top. Now, before we get to the sneakers, which are awesome, the box came with two shirts, the two latest shirts that are part of the James Harden Quiccs collection. So let's pop this one and take a look at it. So over here at the back, you have that same design of James Harden, and then you have the sun and the colors of the Philippine flag. Here at the front, you have the iconography of Adidas together with Quiccs, James Harden, and basketball. You have it in a red color as well. Bam! This is it, guys. This is the Quiccs Adidas James Harden Volume 5 Manila Heritage. And as you can see, it comes in the colors of the Philippine flag. You have white, red, blue, and yellow. It's a really nice looking, striking sneaker that's great to make like a statement, no? Now, when it comes to the colors, actually, I have a note over here from Adidas. Apart from the Philippine flag colors, the yellow symbolizes hope of a brighter tomorrow, pag-asa. Red signifies sweat and blood, sandugo. Blue to convey freedom and imagination, kalayaan. And all three together fully embody expression and creativity. Over here on the side, you have the Quiccs logo with the date that James Harden was last year in Manila. You over on the medial side, you have +63, which is commonly found in a lot of the toys that Quiccs makes. You have Quiccs here along the medial side. You have 3 dots in yellow over here. I think it represents Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, the 3 biggest islands or the 3 major islands here in the Philippines. And then, yeah, everything else is pretty much your James Harden shoe. By the way, in terms of the shoelaces, you do have 4 options. It's defaulted white, but you can actually go with either blue, yellow, or red, or you can interchange them or have mismatched laces if that's your thing. Personally, I prefer it with the white. It's a little bit cleaner and more versatile to wear. Apart from the Philippine flag colors, another reason why I love this color combination is that it reminds me of Gundam. Wala lang. Now, if you are wondering about the comfort, it is a comfortable shoe, especially if you find the right size. What do I mean by that? This one fits small, primarily because it is a basketball shoe. And when I say fit small, it's not that it is long, but it is kind of narrow. Because if you take a look at that midfoot section over here, this is kind of, you know, not too big. So if you have wide feet like me, you will have a problem if you go true to size. So I might want to suggest that you consider going either a half size up or maybe even consider going a full size up. The problem with the full size up is that it might get a little bit too long, which gives a lot of space in between the edge of the shoe and your toe. So I would suggest before buying this online, or if you have the chance to fit it, try a half size up. And if that works for you, if you have wide feet, then go for that. But if it still feels uncomfortable, you might want to try the full size up solution. If you have normal size feet, I think either going true to size or a half size up will work for you guys. Apart from the sizing, what really gives it comfort is if you take a look at the bottom, this one is actually, apart from looking nice with the colors and then that image of James Harden, the robot that you found in the same shirt in the box, this one actually has boost as it's written over there. And you feel it when you have it on feet. That bounce, that softness, it's definitely not as soft as an Ultra Boost. It is a basketball shoe. So you need it. You need that energy response and you need it to propel you forward and to give you that support. The Quiccs Adidas James Harden Volume 5 Manila Heritage, I think drops June 12 or June 11 with an SRP of 7,000 pesos. So it's not ridiculously overpriced. And it does represent Manila Philippine colors or Philippine colors. And I think that's a great gesture by Adidas, and even more so partnering with such an amazing, brilliant Filipino artist like Quiccs. So to summarize, if you're thinking of buying a pair primarily for lifestyle wear, you know, you just want something to wear on the daily, that's cool, that's Philippine inspired, just make sure that you get the right fit. Again, I would suggest if you have wide feet to take a look at going a half size or a full size up. test it. That would be the best rec I can give. If there's no Manila Heritage in your nearest Adidas shop, then just try on a typical James Harden Volume 5 shoe. That would give you an idea of the fit. This is the type of shoe that you would really want to nail down the sizing before you buy it. Let me know what you guys think of the Quiccs Adidas James Harden Volume 5 Manila Heritage. Comment down below. I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. Shout out, by the way, to Adidas Philippines for sending over the shoe and the shirts, and Quiccs, brother, I appreciate you. Adidas Philippines, I appreciate all of you. Maraming salamat. As usual, this is Carlo. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.